Welcome to my newest project that I've been working on. It is a particle photon board with the Blynk app. You're able to toggle it on and off with the two on-off toggle buttons on the screen. You can then toggle between the RGB values of violet, blue, green, yellow, and red using those toggles on the screen, and then it will change the light color to whatever button you press on that screen at the time. You can then also grab the slider and drag it to whatever color you want. There I'm dragging it to the white color. And then you can then select the RGB values, and then it moves the actual pointer onto those values as you cycle them around. There are then toggles at the bottom, plus and minuses, for the brightness and the speed in which it passes across the lights. This is just illustrating the many very fast speeds and brightnesses that it will do. You can adjust it while they're on or off, and then it will update once you toggle it on again. On top of the Blynk app, I also hardwired in a button that can stop the lights. You can start the lights, and then you can then toggle them on and off on the screen as well as use the button. Thank you for watching, and I will have a full write-up in the link below that goes to my blog where I can share the code and any other items. Thanks.